it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to mess with my hair, apparently. I'm here today to do my Sephora play for the month of July, which you guys already saw because you saw. That's the title of this video. So the first thing is the bag. This is probably the most boring bag we've ever gotten. I think they're just running out of ideas. And I think they should switch to zipper bags instead of the pull string ones because I hate those. As you know, if you've been here for more than one Sephora play. So let's just go into the stuff. The card this month, let me put it over my face. It is all about stuff that is good for you. So it's talking about like healthy add-ons, like different things for your skin, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, blah, 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 blah. Hydrating, brightening, firming, blah, blah, blah. You know, like the things you should do to your face. And then you get your 50 points as always if you go into the store. And then on the back, it has all the stuff that we got. So we can just go into that. So the first thing, so this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in Parté, and they gave these out as a birthday gift last year, and so everyone who's already been a Sephora member has gotten one of these, and this one's mine, the one I've already used. The one that came in the box is unopened, and I just have it in my extra bin. It is, I don't know, it's kind of hard to see, I'm sorry. But it's a really nice, like, light pink, and honestly, I really like it. It's super pretty, but I'm probably never going to use two of them because... So, I am just annoyed. Like, why would you send us something we all already own? And you know we already own because you gave it to us less than 6 months ago. And, like, I know, you're probably like, Courtney, they have extra... because not as many people got the birthday gift as they thought it was going to. Well, I don't care. Sell it in a mini set. Don't give it to me in Sephora Play. I already have one. I don't need two. You know? I just... Annoyed by that. Moving on. I also got a sample size of the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. And, it normally comes in like a pot, but this one's in a tube, which I think I prefer tubed like lotions better. It doesn't really smell like anything, but it is a moisturizer. So I will definitely use it up and will let you guys know how I feel in my empties videos once I use it up. And then what else? So the next thing is from Fresh. This is the Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment in Dream. How do I get this open? And it's one of their lip balms. And honestly, I love the packaging of these because you have to twist it off instead of just popping it off so it won't come undone in your purse. And you actually get like a really decent amount of product in these little tiny friends, which I like. I'm assuming this is just going to have like a light pink tint. Oh yeah, right there. And I haven't actually used the other one I got a couple months back from Sephora Play. So I am excited to get into these once I finish some of my older lip products, some of my lip balms. Another thing that I got, so we got a lot of Tarte this month. And I did this specifically, and I feel like it's because Tarte is still reeling from the whole like foundation, not inclusive shade range thing. And people are like boycotting the brand and... you know, all that good stuff. So this is one of the Color Splash lipsticks. And this is in Salt Life, Life with a Y. And it is like a nice nudie mauve. Look at it. And I did check because I do have like a mini set of these. And I checked if I had this one, and I don't. I have a couple other ones, and one I am panning in my Mini Madness Project pan. But I didn't have that one, so I did want to go ahead and swatch it for you because I'll probably end up keeping it. And then the other thing I got from Tarte is the Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Cleansing Gel. And I don't really, I guess, understand Ooh. You know what this feels like? This just literally feels like lube. Like, that is weird. But I will use it up, and I will let you guys know. Again, I haven't seen, I have a couple people on my watch later list. This smells really good, by the way. But I have a couple people that I've subscribed to their Sephora plays on my watch later list because I haven't had time to check it out. But I'm kind of wondering if other people got as many Tarte products as me, or if I was just like the lucky one. And like, not to get like dramatic or anything, but I mean, I don't agree that like it's not that hard to come out with shades of foundation that are darker. And I understand that like lighter shades make more money because the majority of, or like, actually I don't think that's actually true. I don't think the majority of the US and or other countries that they sell Tarte in is all like Caucasian, like ghostly pale like me. I feel like it's, I don't know. I'm not a census person. I don't pay attention to that crap. But I just think it's not that hard to make shades for everyone, or even like a couple darker shades to mix or whatever. Like, I think that wouldn't be that difficult, and apparently it is. So moving on. This is the monthly bonus. This is the Boscia or Basha, I don't, whatever. Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. And this says it's an antioxidant rich treatment to visibly reduce inflammation and redness. Cool. So the green tea, the matcha green tea is supposed to detoxify, decongest, and de-stress your skin. Cool. So I'll have to use that and then let you guys know when it empties video, because I don't want to open it to smell it now. But there is like actually that much product. So it's like too big. So there's probably really only like one use in here, or like one and then like a T-zone situation one. That is everything for my Sephora play. I am not super enthused about this month. Like the blush is just annoying to me. The lip balm is cool. The lipstick I will totally use. I'm gonna use the makeup remover, but it's not something, like, even if I really liked this, I probably wouldn't go and buy this from Sephora, because I'll Google it, but I'm pretty sure this is like $20 or more for the full size, and I'm not going to pay that much unless I really, really like it, and it like replaces the Clinique one I'm using, which is a whole other story. And then this is just a moisturizer, so until I use it, I won't be able to tell. I don't know. Let me know down below if you got a Sephora plate, if you got different stuff than me, if you got the same stuff than me. I'm curious. It's gonna rain here, so my video is gonna get really dark, so I'm gonna just wrap this up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you got something down below that's different from mine, or just be like, hey girl, go check out my video and see what I got, because I will do that. And I love you guys so much. I will talk to you all in my next video. If you want to hang out with me anywhere else on social media, it is all down below. Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat's down there. You can hang out with me any of those places and be my best friend. I love you guys so much, like I already said, and I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.